Now am I audible? Sakshi, Teja? Yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. So we can start with the rubbing your hand. Please rub your hand. Then we are more focusing on our next section. Okay. So that is the first thing. Then today we need to do one more practice like meditation. So that will be the today's first session. So please take your phone, and I already shared one positive affirmation 5 minutes video. So that is the first thing we need to done. Then we can move into the visualization and writing our goal. Okay. So just move on the first part like moving the meditation. I will share my screen. Team, we completed, right? How you are feeling right now? Are you okay? Are you uh, please make a smile in your face. So we are approaching our day 2 with the highest energy. So please let me know in the chat box how you feel right now. Team, am I audible, right? Thanks, Soumya. Thanks, Seja. So actually, this is the 5 minute affirmation. When you learn and when you prepare for 20 minutes of meditation, like sitting in a bar or any other option, it will be more giving more energy, and it will give you more concentration. We can think like within few days or think we can complete our miracle because we can able to do focus concentration, our goals or our works will be do fastly. So these are the changes we can see in the few days. So that is the reason I think I can share whatever I am learning, I'm sharing with you also. Okay. So keep this energy. And I'm giving one more thing like today you need to focus highest energy, because everywhere you need to focus on highest energy. Whatever you face today, whatever the issues you face, whatever the things you are worrying in your mind, think like that always happen for positive. Okay. So that is the first thing you can do. And you will think like will come, everything will change, everything will be in a positive mode. And I can able to, for example, if you get a problem in your company, for example solving a problem, you think like that I can able to solve the problem. So that is the first step. We can move forward to our goal, because when I know the we have in the team contain 180 members in our team, but I think only few are wake up at 5 a.m. So that is the transition we can see. So take your charge of your life and do this one every day. So today we need to move into the our planning session, right? For example, I'm already shared one daily goals. So this is the one I'm created for myself. This template, 5 a.m. Our schedule will start from the 5 a.m. to this one till 9 p.m. Okay, so this is the schedule we started. And once you completed this one, you can give the put mark on the done. Then the priorities also here. Okay, so this is the first step. I'm giving a few minutes for everyone do this exercise. So that is the first thing we can do. Okay, complete this. Not needed if you don't have this sheet, you can take your book and just keep it like this is the one 9 to 10 a.m. This is my work calendar. Okay, so today also I'm giving some time for everyone, then I will share with this in the group. Okay, yeah, complete this one. Okay, team. Have you completed this portion? Okay. So once you complete it, please let me know in the chat so we can move into the next session. Okay. So in my cases, I will start my day at 5 a.m. Sharp 5 a.m. It was started. So 6 a.m. to the 6 a.m. to be I will go to the exercise because I am participating EY walkathon. So I need to complete 20,000 steps. So that is my target. Yesterday I was not feeling good yesterday. So I think I was just completed 1,000 steps, but 10,000 steps. But today my goal is 20,000 step will be my focus because I'm a team captain. I need to motivate everyone, right? Yeah, so that is the reason. Then I will go to exercise and meditation. Then Oshkosh juice. Then I need to be solve some kind of logic in my office also. So that I will take office deployment and all logic. Then 3 hours I'm completely dedicated for my new logic implementation. Then breakfast, then refreshment and meeting, then office work, everything till office work. And 1 p.m. I'm just taking a small break at the lunch and nap time. Then 6 p.m. I'm moving into the exercise because we are all a sitting professionals. So we need some time to energize us, and it will help us to avoid all the means some kind of illness from us. So that is the reason. Then dinner before the 7th, will complete my dinner. Then 8:30, I will move into the Azure Data Engineering class till 8:30, 8:10 p.m. Okay, so this is my goal. Then, Jean, please take one thing, whatever you completed, okay, whatever you completed, then you just go and the visualization. These are the things we will complete it, successfully completing this today, and whatever you want to achieve in your life. Okay, for example, properties you want to buy, some cars, or some things, some holiday trips. So these are the things, whatever you want, just visualize it. That is the first step you can do. Actually, when you're completing these steps gradually after 30 days, you tell me what other things happen in you. That is the reason. Please close your eyes, take a 5 minutes or 2 minutes visualization. What are the things you want? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So feel good and try to complete your all your tasks in a day as soon as possible. Then moving into your next task. So that will be the today's task. So once you complete this daily goal, please share in your group. Okay, that will motivate you every day. So that is the reason. I'm also sharing my goals today. Please share in your group also. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, team. So we can connect tomorrow. Don't miss this 7 days or 5 days session because it will help you. A lot of changes will happen inside you. So that is the reason. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you.